The Galactic Council chamber was a storm of tension. You could feel it in the air, logic sparring with suspicion, psychic energies humming just beneath the surface. The Zynari, those cold masters of logic, glared at the Terran delegation. The Vell floated nearby, silent but judging, their psychic fields prickling with doubt. And right in the middle of it all, Ambassador Linh, a single, unarmed human, no armor, no fancy tech, just her glasses, and a bag that wouldn't look out of place at a neighborhood book club. She smiled and thanked them for inviting humanity to mediate. The Zynari Prime wasn't having it. Humans are unpredictable. "Where's your weapon?" Linh didn't flinch. She looked around and said, "I brought the most powerful weapon humanity has ever wielded, but it's not what you expect." All eyes locked on her as she reached into her satchel and pulled out a stack of blank note cards and a marker. Some in the chamber actually laughed. The Council's security chief tensed, ready for anything but stationery. Linh began, "Let's try something new. I invite each of you to write down what you hope to achieve today." The Zynari bristled. "We do not play games." But Linh just smiled. "Reflection isn't a game, it's how we learn. It's how we grow stronger than any weapon." Reluctantly, the delegates scribbled their intentions. Linh shuffled the cards and read them aloud, no names attached. "Interesting. You all want peace, but you fear betrayal. You want safety, but you don't trust your neighbors. You want respect, but you rarely listen." Confusion rippled through the Vell's psychic field. "What is this? Mind games?" Linh shook her head. "No, it's feedback. Honest, direct, sometimes uncomfortable. On Earth we use it to face our flaws. We call it a workshop. And it's how we turn conflict into collaboration." Then she paired them up, Zynari with Vell, Vell with human, asking each pair to share stories of misunderstandings, to reflect on what could have been done differently. She let silence stretch, forcing them to sit with discomfort until someone broke through with honesty. Time passed. The tension gave way to curiosity, then to understanding. The Zynari Prime finally admitted, "We have never spoken so openly. It is disarming." "That's the point," Linh replied. "Our greatest weapon isn't force. It's the courage to reflect, to give and receive feedback, to learn by doing, even if it stings our pride." By day's end, the Council was transformed. Not only had they resolved their dispute, but now they were planning a series of human-led workshops, galactic workshops, on reflection and feedback. As Linh packed her cards, a young Vell approached. "Ambassador, your weapon, may I learn to wield it?" Linh handed her a blank card. "It's yours, use it well." And that's how humanity taught the galaxy its greatest lesson. That the future isn't shaped by force, but by the relentless, quiet power of learning together through reflection and feedback, one conversation at a time.